Welcome to my dear students and learners. So I have decided that I will start one small course on deep learning and machine learning because it is the trend is like that within a few years the most of the enterprises and the organizations, they're going to use it. It's getting popularized. So the basic thing, the key factor behind the machine learning or deep learning is the artificial neural network and its advanced versions and applications like convolution neural network, etc. So there will be some basic videos available in my channel on artificial neural network, how it works. It basically works based on our human hypothalamus. So there will be a lot of neurons, like when we are a child started to learn the letters. So by repeated writing, that particular the movement of pen, and how it is after repeatedly seeing that the sets of neuron, it is getting fired, and based on its weightage one mapping will be there. So whenever it will be that letter will be seen by human eyes, then from that earlier trained system it will be able to recognize the thing. So it is like that only. So today I have written one small code to recognize the digits. Like our human brain, the computer will recognize what is this written digit. Okay, so I have collected some sets of image from 0 to 9, and with that I have trained a network. So I am, before going in details, so initially if we able to know that what kind of things, if our vision and mission is clear to us, so it will be much more interesting. So that's why I will be not detailing much more about the code, just I will show a few lines. It is not that much difficult, because inside in depth, why I am using Simulink, because I am going to teach these things in Keras and TensorFlow. So I hope all you know about those this Keras and Keras. Basically it's a Keras and TensorFlow, both are open source library. So this can be interfaced with Python. So if I start Python and Keras, TensorFlow, all these things, it will be much more complicated. So first all the things I will tell you, because I am also much more comfortable with MATLAB. So there are also the standard libraries are there. So using that very easily we can do it. So first we will learn that. So today what we are going to see, I have collected some images. Okay, so that I will show you. So this is my data set. You see here, these are all here, maybe 1,000 zeros in different fashion, it is there. Similarly 1, 2, like that, it is there. So with this image I will train a network, and after that, this is 7. So there are various type of 7s are there. So this to get the better accurate output, so the data collection is much more important. You have to collect more number of data. So if you get more number of data, then it will be easy. Okay, it will be easy to train the network. Okay, so now I am going directly to the code. So this is one small code I have written to train the network. So this I will line by line. It's, even though it seems people who are already working with this, or they have some idea, they can understand this code easily. But I will explain in the subsequent, when I will start, I will frame the course content, and then everything I will detail you. First, all the things I will show you in MATLAB, because it is more user friendly, libraries are available. Then I will repeat the same thing in Python using this Keras and TensorFlow libraries, so that you can make in your Android device or in your computer, even though MATLAB is not there. Okay. So now if I run this, you see this is the path where all the data are there, the same path I have copied and given there. It will be reading all the images, and it will be training the network. Okay, so I will train the network. So it is, you see, it is training the network. So to train the network, there are 232 iteration required. So it's showing the progress. So these things can be done by writing the code also in MATLAB, or there is a standard toolbox GUI also available. Using that also you can do. You see, now that training is over, and it's showing, see, the validation accuracy is 99.32%. Okay, so some sets of, as I told, each digit having around 1000 image. So among that 1000 images, 750 images randomly I chosen to train the network, and remaining 250 for validation. Okay, so this way it has been done. So now this is one small code to check how it is. So let us run it. Now it is asking to select. Now I will select the particular digit, one digit I will select, 4. You see, my brain recognized as 4. Okay. So now let us make one thing. So we will go to Paint. So we will write here 4. This I have written 4. Let us see. And all the image resolution, that is 28 by 28. If you see my code here, the image resolution is this one. So I have to convert this image to that. So for that, convert resolution. and this should be 28 by 28. So now we will run again. It's this 4. See, it is. So this accuracy, this, you see, my brain is recognized as 2, but actually it is 4, because this, it is to be much more generalized. So you have to increase the number of images, okay, because that I have used from somewhere. So now I have to write various way all the digits, and with that if I train, then again if I write anything, it will recognize. Okay, so this was all about today's, it's a very introductory lecture. So I will detail the thing when I will start the complete course, and hope it will be enjoyable to all of you. So thank you so much. Thanks for your patience.